Hey everyone. So this conversation is about how does internet actually work? The internet feels like magic. You click a button and instantly get the answers, videos or messages from someone halfway across the globe. But behind the scenes, it's not magic. It's millions of computers, cables and protocols working together. In this video, I'll take you step by step through what actually happens when you type in a website, how your data travels, and why the internet works so fast. At its core, the internet is nothing more than a massive network of computers connected together. Imagine neighborhoods, cities, and countries, all linked by roads. The internet works in a similar way, except instead of cars, information travels in tiny bundles called data packets. Your phone or laptop is just one house on this network. When you request something, your data has to find its way through this global neighborhood to reach the right destination. Let's say you type www.youtube.com in your browser. What happens? DNS, the internet's phone book. Websites are not stored as names. Computers prefer numbers called IP addresses, like 142.250.72.238. The domain name system, DNS, is like a phone book that converts the human-friendly name into the machine-friendly number. Your device sends a request. Once your browser knows YouTube's IP address, it sends a request over the network using a protocol called HTTPS or HTTPS. Think of it as the language that computers use to talk to websites. Servers receive your request. YouTube's giant data centers receive your request, process it, and then send back the necessary data, videos, images, text, broken into packets. So what exactly happens when the data travels across the world? How does the data travel across the world? Here's where the journey gets interesting. Routers and ISPs. The packets leave your home through your router and travel to the internet service provider, ISP. From there, they hop from router to router. Each router acts like a traffic controller, deciding the fastest route forward. Fiber optic cables. Most of this data flows through fiber optic cables that use light to transmit information at incredible speeds. Some of these cables run under the oceans, connecting entire continents. Without these, you couldn't watch videos from servers located across the world. Satellites and wireless. In remote areas, satellites and wireless towers fill the gap, but they are slower compared to fiber. Fun fact: a single data packet might take a completely different path from another, but they still arrive and get reassembled correctly. Now, how do we make sure all this data doesn't get lost or mixed up? That's where TCP/IP protocols come in. IP handles addressing. It ensures that your packet knows exactly where it's going, kind of like writing the destination on an envelope. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, makes sure the packets arrive safely and in order. If a packet gets lost, TCP says, "Hey, resend that one." Together, TCP/IP guarantees that when you stream a video, it plays smoothly and in the right order. When those packets finally arrive at your device, your browser reassembles them like puzzle pieces, displaying the full web page or video. This entire process, from typing youtube.com to watching a cat video, happens in just fractions of a second. Behind the scenes are billions of servers, thousands of undersea cables, and countless routers, all working non-stop to keep the internet alive. So, how does the internet work? It's a worldwide web of devices speaking the same language, using protocols to keep the data safe, and highways of fiber optic cables to carry information at lightning speed. Next time you hit enter, remember the incredible journey your data takes to bring the world to your screen. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and comment below. What tech topic should I simplify next? See you in the next one.